my friends, Johnny here, your chef. Today we're going to be cooking steak. So, let's get started. New York strips, beef. My favorite. You can use it on steak, vegetables, soup. Man, it's the best. Before you put some seasoning on, put some in your hand. A little bit, because you're just tasting it. And just try it. If you like it, you can use the seasoning. So, if it's really salty, you put some less. But if it's perfect for you, you can put more if you want. You can just taste it how you like it. So, I got my steak seasoned. Alright, let's get the frying pan. So you need about this much oil, or at least a little more. That much oil. And then you take some of the steak. You gotta go on medium. You gotta go on medium when you're warming it up. Steel ones, you can go on high. But for these kind of frying pans, you go on medium. Just stick. Well, let's put our steak in. Cook your steak in about 3 minutes. I'm going to show you a few tricks. And so this is rare. You can see if I touch it, it's still rare, right? So this one is between rare and medium. So if you want yours to here, you can peel your steak. You can peel like this, and you like it like this, you can keep it between rare and medium. And between medium is where I'm going to have mine. So it feels just like this, not too rough. So if you peel your steak and feel like this, and you like it like this, you can eat your steak like this. So, and yours well done. If you like yours flavorless a little bit, you can have yours well done. See that? I'm going to flip over the steak and see if they're looking. This is a medium rare. I'm going to show you what it feels like. So this one, that is medium rare right now. So you can wait a little longer for the other side, and I'm gonna have mine made. But if you want to cook yours longer on both sides, you can end up with well done. So if you like yours well done, cook yours well done. So I'm gonna press on them a little bit just in case there's little edges that are sticking up. And see if any of them shows a little bit. Whatever you do to one side, it's the same to the other side too. Because if not, you're going to have one side not really ready cooked, so you're going to have one side really raw, but just the crust looks ready to you, but it's not. So you have to cook it a little more so the heat can cook the inside of it. So cook it until it turns nice and you're kind of feeling it. So mine's almost done. It's almost between, right now it's between both medium rare and medium. So right now it's right here. You can see it's right here. Let's check the sides. You can see it looks really nice. It's juicy. So if you want yours nice and crispy, you can cook less steaks in your frying pan in the skillet. So right now I'm cooking let's say 6, a whole skillet, and I have more time, so I'm just gonna. So right now I have a full skillet because there's 100 people waiting for their steaks, and so I just cooked the whole skillet. Skillet. Pretty much almost there. You just got a minute now. Cook. You got your steak. Now cut it. Oh, you can see because there's juice coming out. It has to be, so if it's all clear, it means it's medium. My way I like to eat. So if the juice turns clear, that means I got medium. Right now it's on medium rare, so it's almost there. So let's check and see what the other side looks like. It's getting there. So you can see it started to get a little bit more clear. You can see there's some juice dripping down. So, very little juice dripping down and turning clear. So, see right here, there's a lot of it. Spread it out so. So, it's almost there. So, even about a minute again, and then it should be ready. And then do both sides be even. The inside. So let's flip it over to the top, to the other side, get some, so you get some, you haven't cooked the other side as long as this one, to make it even. Over even. So now I'm cooking it indoors, so I'm not cooking outside in the grill. So I'm going to use a torch to make it a nice grill flavor of it. So you want to flip over the torch, push about 3 fingers in your pinky. So you want to put your 3 fingers in, your pinky on the button, and your thumb holding it around. And then you don't want it to go close just with the fire. You want to just take the tip of the flames and just about like heating it up. Okay, well, we're going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same to the other side, and it should be ready. If it looks ready. Not exactly, but if it looks ready, then it's ready. So you want to burn the fat. The fat has some flavor too. So we're going to do a finger test again. Yeah, we got it done. Seems right to me. So now I'm putting the steak on the cutting board. So when you're done with your steak, make sure you turn off the stove because you get carried away. Because if you're too excited to take out the steak, you're gonna forget about the stove. You're gonna eat, leave, and start a fire. So make sure you turn off the stove. Okay, so you want to let it rest for 15 minutes because when you're cooking it, it's like it all squishes in and the juice comes out like a sponge. So if you squeeze it, it squirts out all the water. You put it down and it just relaxes back and sucks all the water in. So you have to do the same to the steak. Just let it relax and let it suck up all the juice. So let's let it sit for 15 minutes. Alright, my boys, we're back. 15 minutes has passed. And so I'm gonna cut open the steak. Show you guys what it looks like. That's perfect medium. So squish it a little bit. Look guys, that's juicy. That's what you want right here. You want it nice and juicy here. So man, this is juicy. So this is my favorite way. Medium. So if you guys like yours well done, you can do it well done. You can do it however you want. You can do any spice on it. If you know your favorite spice, you can put whatever you want. I'm gonna slice up some for you guys and let's get cutting. Ooh yeah, look at that, nice and juicy.
Have some of that.
Yeah, we just have some of this stuff. It's super good. Oh my gosh, super good. I can taste all the pepper, garlic in it, and salt. Super good. Really good. Once again, my name is Jonathan, your chef. Please subscribe, like, and share. Go out there, make your steak, cook your lunch. Really good. Go put a smile on your friend's face. See you later. I'm gonna test one myself. Mmm. Super good. Super juicy. Delicious.